Hello everyone, this is Jay, and today I wanted to start by showing the results of the poll. And Vici Properties was the pick selected by you, the community out there. 57% of the votes went to Vici Properties from 60 votes. Second was VYM at 22% of the votes. Third, Canview at 13%. And fourth, Coca-Cola at only 8% of the votes. So I did deposit $15. I was going to buy on Wednesday, but I did not know. I did not check that the stock market was going to close early that day. So when I went to check, it was like around 1:30, 1:20 when I was on my lunch break, and it was too late to buy, so I'm gonna have to buy it today. So I'm gonna be buying some Vici Properties today. One thing I did do was buy $17 of Visa. I bought on July 2nd. Visa took a nice dip. It was around $262. I was not able to buy on Monday, but I was able to buy quickly on Tuesday. I took a quick break and went ahead and bought. It cleared at $16.91. It purchased 0.064 shares. And if we go up into my portfolio, which is this one right here, is the market value is at $14,149. On Visa, if you see the position right here, I'm at 1.473 shares. I have over $400 now invested in the company. As you can see right here, 403. I'm in the negative by 1.77%. Visa, it is right now on a dip at $268.99. I wish I would have bought more, or maybe Visa could have stayed in the 262, in the low 260s until today. So hopefully it goes down today a little bit, right? I believe in Visa long term, and it's one position that I want to grow to hold for a very long time. So this position is going to be my focus today. As you know, every Friday I make a deposit and I try to spread that deposit through some of my positions, and Visa is going to be my focus today. I'm probably going to buy a little bit more of it today. I am going to be making my weekly July challenge Vici purchase today, and then I'm gonna be making one on Monday because I missed the one at the beginning of the week this week, and I am at 15.2 shares. So hopefully I'll finish with this weekly challenge. I'm gonna try to deposit at least $15 every week extra, so I could do the weekly challenge. So hopefully I'll finish between 17 and 18 shares by the end of the month. So this one, I'm in the negative by 6%. So it's going to be a nice pick for the weekly challenge for sure. So I can continue to bring down my cost. My cost per share is at $29.67. And the share price is at $27.75. Another two that I'm going to be buying, I do want to talk a little bit about Nike and give my opinion. I know that's a hot topic right now on Nike. So also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to follow the journey, and hit the like button so you can support this channel right here. And if you press the like button, which is free, it will help me reach other people. Starbucks and Johnson & Johnson are still the topics week after week. Starbucks is at $76.26, and I'm at 7.5 shares already. Wow, that's nice. My cost per share, I brought it down already to $84.36. I'm in the negative by 9%, but I want to continue to bring down my cost. So after Visa, my other two focuses for this week is going to be Starbucks, and then Johnson & Johnson is at $145. 6.9 total shares right now. So I'm gonna be passing the 7 shares hopefully today. So right now my cost per share is $157.59. I got over $1,000 invested in this company. In the negative by 7.5%, and it is going to be one of my hot picks for this week. Canview is another one. I really want to grow this position. That's why I put it on the weekly challenge. So I'm going to be buying some more Canview also. 17.4 shares right now. Share price is at $18.31. I'm going to try to buy at least half a share today. On this position, I got over $378 invested in this company right there. And then all realty income, I'll probably do like a cup of coffee into all realty income and Pfizer also. These are two positions that I'm in the negative. So I'm going to continue to bring down my cost into those two. My cost per share on all realty income is $57.50. And my cost per share in Pfizer is $32.61. I've been bringing down my cost on those two. As you can see, all realty income is my second largest position right now. But VYM will be surpassing it by market value pretty soon, which is at $1,445, and all realty income $1,493. Just because all realty income is down over 8% right now. But I have been collecting those nice juicy dividends from all realty income on a monthly basis, and hopefully it will pay one of my bills later on in the future, hopefully in a decade, maybe 2 decades from now. And then I just wanted to talk a little bit about Nike, sorry, ticker symbol NKE. It is right now $75.24. Pre-market today, July 5th, Friday. It is up 0.5% to $75.65. If we open up the 1-year chart, you can see that it took a big dip right here and is down 30% in the last year. Let's see, in the last month it is down 20%. So it was only down about 10% from a year ago, but now it went down like a nice 20% in share price right there. It was around $94, wow, before it took that dip after their earnings call. Nike has a market cap of $113 billion, earnings per share $3.40, PE ratio right now 22.13. That dividend $1.48 per share per year, 1.97%. Analysts are calling this a buy right now. And as you can see right now, the revenue, oops, it's not opening the revenue. Right here, it is $51 billion in revenue in 2023. 2019, it was at $39 billion. So they went up in revenue very nicely. Shares outstanding, as you can see, they have been pretty steady. So they have been staying around 1.5 billion shares. As you can see, earnings per share, I like to look at the earnings per share also. To see how they have been doing. In 2019, they were at $2.55. 2020, they finished at $1.63. I'm guessing because of the pandemic, of course. But then they went up to $3.64, $3.83. They went down in 2023 to $3.27. Free cash flow, as you can see, which is what they use to pay the dividend, $4.87 billion. And I want to take a look at the debt. Let's take a look at the debt, total debt. As you can see right here, they have been paying off debt, which is good. They went from $3.4 billion in debt to $13 billion in debt in 2020. So they acquired a lot of debt. But now they have been paying it off to $12.1 billion in debt, as you can see right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the dividend. Payout ratio, only 43% of the free cash flow that they use for the dividend, which is good. And the dividend growth, as you can see right here, 9.43%. So that's a nice percentage. And the growth years, 19 years, they have been growing their dividend. As you can see, they pay 37 cents per share per quarter. So they have one more quarter of the same dividend before they hopefully increase their dividend, right? It looks like they increase it every fourth quarter, as you can see right here. They went in 2022, they went from 30.5 cents to 34 cents, and then in 2023 from 34 cents to 37 cents. Leave me in the comment section if you have been buying Nike. One thing that I do think about, I saw this topic right here, right? Nike wants to sell fewer classic sneakers, roll out more new ones in bid to revive demand. I don't know, but I just think that Nike can do way better than what they do right now. Nike is such a popular fan. Nike is everywhere. Nike is just a fan that everyone always mentions, everyone always talks about, everyone always buys, right? When I went to the mall a couple of weeks ago, I've noticed that there was like a reseller store, and they were selling Nikes way over market, like way over the price of the market, right? That means that if you're able, right, to resell a Nike shoe for twice the money, some of the sneakers, they were like 300, 400, $500 at this resale store. Why isn't Nike making a lot more of those shoes to sell them and get that revenue? I just really don't understand. I don't understand what the management or marketing team or whoever it is that makes these calls, right? Why sell shoes in at a limited amount? I just really don't understand. Why are they doing this? Why do they sell just a limited amount of sneakers, and that's pretty much it? And then let's just have all these resellers make all that extra money on their name, right? I really don't understand. Instead of making, I'm just gonna throw a number out there, a million shoes, right, of a very popular shoes, why don't you make 2 3 million, right? That's just me throwing numbers out there. But if the demand is out there where people are actually buying Nike shoes at 300 $400, why aren't you guys making more sneakers? I just really don't understand. Please leave me your opinion in the comment section. That's the only thing that I kind of hate about the company. Well, maybe hate is a strong word, but that I don't like about the company. Like, they're just, I don't know. Their team is just really bad, you know? And maybe someone will change my opinion, but that's just my opinion on Nike and the number one reason why I don't invest in the company. Is it at a nice price right now? It looks like it, right? I will have to do a little bit more research on their earnings call, but I just think Nike have one of the worst teams ever. When they could be making so much more money, so much more, but they choose not to. I don't understand why, but I guess they have the reasons, right? All right, everyone. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me your opinion in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.